tetto restne tetto tetto restne tetto nie ma kaçımız Hamza Tarik
So the medicinal part you know better than me in the concept of that, the overview of that. So all this moving in some way melted, so it consists of magma. So the upper part of the crust is again crust is solid. This is called lithosphere. Upper part of the crust. That lithosphere is moving on the molten part of the magma part or the molten part of the mantle. So that these all minerals are the culmination of what inside the earth as well as what's inside the earth as well as what is above there. So three things I'll differentiate you guys. One is rock, one is mineral, one is ore. So the rock, first part is rock is a culmination or aggregate of one or more than one mineral. People say, oh, this is rock. Oh, what is a mineral then? So they don't know what is a mineral. So they can't differentiate. But it's a very basic thing, but still. So one or more than one mineral, or it's a assemblage of that, is called rock. So rock can have more than one minerals, 3, 4, 5, or even one mineral. So what is a mineral? Mineral is an inorganic, naturally occurring substance which has a definite crystal structure, which has its own properties. That is called mineral. Inorganic. So can we say coal is a mineral? No, because it's organic. So coal is organically sourced. You can say not mineral but rock. So it's inorganic and it should be naturally occurring. Plus, what do I say? Inorganic, naturally occurring, and has a definite crystal system. So if I'll say quartz, it has a definite crystal system. Crystal system is, if you go deeper, there are many crystal system, hexagonal, trigonal and all. So it has definite properties of that. So what are ore then? Ore is just which all the mineral which can be profitably extracted. That is called ore. So in Ladakh, we have every kind of minerals, or I'll say most kind of minerals, not every is large. So, but can it be mineable? Can it be extractable profitably? We don't know because we haven't done some research. So, on ore part, some of them we don't know there are ores and all. But on the mineral part, we are rich with minerals, metals. So, the thing is like, our museum has divided into this middle part. We have metals which ore minerals like iron has hematite, and you know the benefits of iron in medicine and all and all. That you guys know better than me. So on that part we have semi-precious stones. So why are they precious stones? Because since the magma from the mantle or the deep beneath the earth rises, different minerals are crystallized at different depths. Some of the minerals they crystallize at very deep inside the earth, but because earth is dynamic and sometimes the magma erodes, or like our place, the Himalayan, it uplifted the whole earth crust magma arise, these minerals, heavy minerals, they get crystallized along the way till the crust. If above the crust, the magma, all that remains are most of the light minerals, water, rich in silica and ilmenite. That's why on the earth crust, our earth crust is mainly rich in these silica, ilmenite, and all these materials. Quartz, pretty common in our this lithosphere. After that, I'll give you another review, which is. You can see the was with the neighboring with the Africa and Antarctica in the southern hemisphere once millions of years ago. So these lands are called Gondwana land. After minor breaking or how do I say joints sutures among these plates because it's palladic. One of the major sutures is Indus sutures zone. So these suture zones follow the Indus River. My bad. The sutures doesn't follow the Indus River, but the Indus River is following the sutures because the water takes the shortest routes to the sea level. So it's following the suture zone. So if you follow beyond that suture zone or below the suture zone, Zanskar range, the soil will be or the formation will be different than the above the suture zones. Above the suture zones are called Ladakh batholiths, which are magma of magma chamber where the rocks, all the hard rocks are. So this granite, Ladakh is rich in granite. So this above granite zones are part of the world. That's why we are so the lighted part is rose. Uplifted, we are standing at the European part of that. So these are Trans-Himalaya. That's why the formation of the rocks that are available at the Trans-Himalaya are different than rocks available below the Trans-Himalaya. So the Zanskar, if you go to the Zanskar and all, their lithologies match with Himachal. So there are moon strikes, donkey landslides. The metamorphic grade depending on the pressure and temperature. So the Zanskar range resembles if you go beyond the suture zone, there are granitic rocks. Granitic rocks actually the granites are formed very deep from that, but it has been uplifted. Himalaya has formed So yep, otherwise so everything is written on the slides. If you guys have any doubt, you can